Oh hey, it's Lynn from Subpar Planning. I have a little unboxing or unpackaging, if you will. So this is a ring-bound travel notebook style pocket planner. And the way I came across this particular one was through a friend of mine on Instagram. Her name is Tiger Veith, and she's awesome, she's lovely, and she is planner obsessed like me. And so anyway, she had ordered this probably like maybe 2 weeks ago, maybe 3 weeks ago, and she sent me this little quick message. She's just like, I did a thing, and then she kind of told me what it was, and I was like, oh my god, I need pictures, because it really sounded very interesting to me. So she got it a couple days later, super quick shipping, and then she sent me some quick little, just like snap, like quick images. And when I saw it, I almost flipped a nutty, because I was like, oh my god, that's kind of what I want. That's kind of what I've always been looking for. And because I like the style of the travel notebook, but I love the rings of like my Filofax. So I saw the pictures, and I swear to god, probably within like 5 minutes I ordered one of these for myself, because I just had to. So anyways, I was gonna actually cut it open, but I was afraid because it's not actually in a box. It's just like wrapped up in bubble wrap. So anyways, what I did was I just kind of cut a little bit and I tore it. So now I'm going to open it for the first time. I'm really excited. It's super floppy. Even in the package, it's really floppy. It's kind of weird. Listen. It's kind of crazy. So, oh, that's cute. That's little. So this is Asian Vintage Traveler's Notebook. Thanks. I hope you come back and visit my website, asianvintagetn.com. They have a discount code for 5% off, and then they do free shipping on orders over $99 or more. Seems to be packaged pretty well. It even comes with these little, like, look at it, has these like little things. So let's see here. It's got a cute little sheet of stickers. Those are cute. Sorry, allergies. An extra elastic. And a cute little plain charm. Hello, come on, that's cute. It's adorable. And then it comes in this little pouch, which, I mean, let's face it, it probably won't hold up very well, but that's okay. Oh wow. Oh my god, this is. Oh, I can hear the rings. That makes me happy. Oh wow, these are nice. So it has an elastic cover to protect the edges of your book, which I really like. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh, look at this thing. God, it's so soft. Look at this. It's like wicked soft and floppy. This thing's gonna mark up nice and age really beautifully. So it's got a pen loop. It's got a little secretarial pocket. My rings, which I just love. A little pocket here to put like whatever, and then 2 slide pockets for like credit cards or whatever you want. They don't face up, which could be a problem for some people. I don't really care either way, because it doesn't matter to me. I mean, I'm gonna modify. I actually came across a video where someone, I'm gonna have to link it. I think I actually saved it, but she had a planner. She had a malden that she actually took the rings out of. And so she uses it more as a travel notebook style, but with the malden cover. And she actually really did not like the side pockets of the malden. So she took some cardstock or craft paper, maybe even a little bit like a thinner type cardboard, and she actually slid it in here and made pockets to put stuff in. If I can find that video, I will, because that's definitely something that I was actually going to do for pretty much all of my Filofaxes, because for some reason I always get the ones with the pockets that come out this way. But this is gorgeous. It smells good. It feels really nice. It's soft. It looks like it's stitched well. Like it's stitched all the way through. It's not just glued, which is, you know, I guess there was some problems with that, but this is actually stitched all the way through. This is really nice. It's gorgeous. This thing's gonna age beautifully. So this is my Webster's pages. It's a little bit bigger than this, obviously, a little bit thicker, but the rings look very similar to my Osterly. They don't look that much thinner. They look. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take out a page, just some rando page from my Osterly, because I never changed the page sizes for either the Osterly or the Malden or the Amazona. They're all the same, so let's see how this goes. But I really like this. Like, I can definitely see myself just using this for a long time. And I love my Filofaxes. I'm never gonna get rid of them, but God, that's just amazing. So soft. That feels nice. So this is just like a dashboard page, and this is just like a standard planner page size for me. And it looks like it might stick out a little bit, but I think once it's filled, I think that'll be perfect. But you know what I love about this? I love the fact that this leather is just gonna get completely just scuffed to heck, you know? Scuffed to hell, and it's gonna be really nice. So yeah, this is the cute little ring-bound pocket notebook, and I'm telling you, I actually really, really like this. I like the way it feels. It smells good. So I am forever grateful to Tiger Veith for kind of pointing this out to me and saying, hey, check this out, because I really like it. So shout out to you, because you are amazing. So anyways, I just wanted to get this really, really quickly done. Obviously, I'm gonna continue on in my Traveler's Bound notebook because I really do like this. I think I need to modify it with rings, so that's probably what I'm gonna do. So yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do, is I think I'm going to find a loose ring system, a ring binding mechanism, and if that means I have to take apart an old pocket planner that I come across, that's probably what I'll do. But I think if I had rings in this, I think I'd be really happy. So I'm going to do it, because I think rings are kind of just my thing. Rings are my thing. And if you're actually looking for someone fun to follow who's just a really nice person, I totally recommend Tiger Veith. Hey there, hi, thank you, this is amazing. So anyways, I just thought I'd do a quick little unboxing video of this, kind of show you guys what it looks like compared to the Webster Pages Color Crush, and then if you want to compare that to the Filofax Austerley, it's definitely the smallest of the three, but because it doesn't use a popper or some sort of a tab and uses elastic, this thing's going to be able to expand fairly large. And actually, I think I'll be able to stuff more into it, just based on the fact that this leather is so flexible. But yeah, I mean, I'm pretty excited. I feel like I'm just keep going down the rabbit hole of planner stuff. Quick side note, I know a lot of people talk about like planner piece and stuff. I'm not necessarily concerned with finding planner piece so much as I'm more interested in finding peace at the moment. Like, I have always been one of those people that likes to change things up. I don't like to use the same thing over and over and over again within reasonable means. Like, I have no problems driving a car that's like 12 years old. I'll drive that car down until it's on its last legs. But for some reason, stuff like this, I like to give things break. Like, I love my Austerley, and I know that if I just use this thing consistently for an entire year, it's going to start to break down. It's going to start to get marred up. It's going to start to, you know, the rings are going to get weak. I mean, it's just going to start falling apart. So I have no problems buying different planners so that I can use this one this month, and I can use a different one next month. And then that way there's a rotation of stuff, and it actually lasts me longer over the long term. And I don't necessarily know if that's really an accurate, or I don't know. I could just be saying it to make myself feel better, which is possible. But, you know, I love my planners and I want to try to take care of them, but I also want to use them. Like, I don't want to buy them, just have them on a shelf so I can stare at them. I want to actually use them. So for me, having different planners that I can switch out and change is really a great thing. So now that I've kind of learned that this style with the booklets might not necessarily be my cup of tea, I know that there are possibilities out there where I can just get a ring mechanism and just put it in here and turn this into a ring-bound planner, and then that will basically do the job of this. And because this one is so much wider, I won't have a problem fitting ring mechanisms in there. So I'm pretty excited. I'm very happy with, I'm really happy with this. I think this is perfect. It has a, like, if you like the smell of leather, then you'll definitely like this. It comes with all these great little things, which I think are really nice. you know, and a little extra thing. And actually, I was kind of concerned here because I saw the rivets. And I'm like, well, how am I going to change that cord out? But to be honest with you, it's actually pretty easy because the rings are at the top and the bottom, and it's not actually in the center. So it's just a matter of pulling that out, you know, and putting it back in. So I'm pretty pumped about that. And I love, like, all the colors, they match. They're like a perfect match for one another. So that's great. So anyways, enough rambling. I just wanted to show you what I got yesterday. So anyways, shout out to Tiggerveeth because this is amazing. Thank you so much. It's awesome. And I'm so thankful that you recommended this to me because I really, really like it. And so anyways, hope everything's okay where you are. And I will talk to you later. Thanks again. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up if you like it. Thumbs down. I can totally handle the criticism. Comments, whatever, anything you want, just let me know. And I'll do my best to get back to you. Deuces. Bye.